Hello, and welcome to another episode of Joe's Tech Breakdown. On my last episode, I showed you how to disassemble the PlayStation 3 Slim. It's come to my attention that some people may have a disc stuck inside their CD-ROM drive. I'm going to show you how to get a stuck disc out of the PlayStation 3 CD-ROM drive. Follow my last video to see exactly how to remove this from the PlayStation 3, and this video to see how to remove the disc. If you've already disassembled your PlayStation 3, you probably already have some of these tools out. First, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to remove your disc. Then, I'm going to show you how it works. Turn the PlayStation's disk drive over, and you'll see this white sticker. Take a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver and insert it. Once inserted, loosen. This is counterclockwise. As you turn, the gearing mechanism inside the CD-ROM drive will eject the disc for you. Don't grab the disc yet. Keep turning. Once the disc stops moving, you're free to remove it. Hey, PlayStation Magazine. Subscribe today. Let me show you how the mechanism works now. To remove the cover, we'll remove these 3 screws. 1, 2, and this one here in the middle on top. Pull out on these tabs on both sides and lift up. Here you can see the mechanism that holds the disc in place. And when I turn the gearing, you can see the mechanism in action. This here is just a magnet. You can remove it with your hand. When I move the gears, you can see the spindle here in the middle release the disc by moving down and out of the way before the disc leaves the drive. Underneath this sticker, which is really just a dust cover, is a special drive gear with a Phillips head hole in it. This allows you to advance the gearing mechanism using just a screwdriver. And now you've got your disc back. That was easy. If you've taken your disk drive apart to remove a stuck disk, you're all done. This is e-waste and should be recycled appropriately. If you've taken it apart out of curiosity, start by putting the spindle back in place. The dust cover, if you removed it, the spindle again, because plastic is not magnetic, and then finally the top cover. Replace the 3 screws. And you're all set.